Do you want to post photos on TikTok? You can add one or multiple pictures on TikTok as a slideshow with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To post photos on TikTok as a slideshow. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. On the recording screen, switch to the Photos tab. Tap the Upload option in the bottom right corner. You will now see all the photos and videos from your device gallery. Select one or more photos you want to upload. To create a slideshow, select multiple photos in the desired order. Once selected, tap the Next button. You can now add text, music, stickers, and more to your photos. Once you are satisfied with your TikTok slideshow, tap the Next button. Write a catchy caption for your post and tap the Post button. Once posted, your friends and followers will see this picture slideshow as a TikTok video.